Hello and welcome to Instant Learn. Today, I'm going to show you how to add website to your Google Analytics. So first, you need to open your browser and then you want to search for analytics.google.com and then you need to click on start measuring and then you need to do these steps and then once you're signed in to Google Analytics, click on the admin tab. Here, in the lower left corner, in the Property column, click on the drop-down menu and select Create Property. From this place, you need to choose Web as the type of property. In the Website section, enter the website name, URL, industry, category, and reporting time zone. Click Next to proceed. After creating the property, you'll be provided with a tracking code snippet. This code needs to be added to every page of your website that you want to track with Google Analytics. Copy the tracking code snippet provided by Google Analytics. By following these steps, you'll be able to add your website to Google Analytics and start tracking visitor activity and engagement effectively. So, I hope this video was helpful. Please leave a like and subscribe.